So you're in Porto and your wife tells you.
I want to see the Douro Valley.
And you go, okay, let's put in Google. See Peso da Régua, Pinhão. I just put in Google Maps. But the results... Google Maps give me the motorway direction? Yeah, quicker, but I only saw the river for a short moment, from Peso da Régua to Pinhão. I'm going to show you how to do the best route in Google Maps. One of the best routes from Porto, catch the N108 in direction of Sozel, and then you'll be in the famous N22, Resende, and up in Peso da Régua. Could go more to Pinhão, still takes 119 kilometers and takes 2 hours and 45 minutes to do this. So the problem when you try to make the route Google Maps, it always gives you this way. The best way, you have to come here and avoid motorways and tools and put these 4 places. Porto, Sozel, Resende, and Peso da Régua. And then the Google Maps will give you like a proper route next to the river. Very long one. Of course, a lot of curves and curves. If you love driving, this is for you. If you're not, maybe the cruise sounds great for me. Next time I think I'll do the cruise. I hate it. Driving all that time. Ugh. Anyway, that's all. Don't forget. Porto, Sozel, Resende, Peso da Régua. Take the motorways and the tools and she'll give you a proper route. Not the other route that catch me. Because if you do this, you'll start going immediately to the motorways. Shorter, but less views. Kind of fits the point. Anyway, just for you to see. Next to the river, next to the river. Next to the river, near maybe a bit less, but you pass some beautiful places and you're always next to the river. Still insists here to go by this direction. I don't know why. Okay, still a good river view. Yeah, and goes to Pinhão in this case. Other things to have attention, the route is very long. Can take you more than 3 hours, and that's a normal speed without stops. So go early, don't go in the afternoon. That's not a good idea. In Peso da Régua, there's some boats that go around the river. See if you want to book one of those. And don't forget, you can always come back on the motorway. It's paid, but will be way, way quicker than doing all those curves. And yes, you really need to like to drive because there's a lot of curves and curves and curves. I did it in a little restaurant in Turão. It's a location or something. Great view for the river. Amazing. And then I catch the motorway and went home. So that was the good part. Hope you like Porto and Scenics. Don't do the same mistake as me. See you next time.